Hello. Uh, in this video, I am going to write a program in Python to take an integer number, convert that number into string and find the length of a string. So let's begin this program. So I here first take a one integer number. So I take a integer number into number. So I have to write number equal to int, input, enter any number. I have to typecast this number into string. So str is a method that I have to use and I have to pass the number in this str method. It converts this number into string and store in a new variable new str. Now there is a one method that is length, which is used for the string to find out the length of the string. So in the length method I pass the string that is a new str. Now if I run this program and enter a number, for example number is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then you can see the length of the string is a 5. Thank you.